I've been learning Welsh with Aran and Catrin and the Say Something in Welsh method for the show on S4C. And I was astonished actually at how quickly you can pick up useful Welsh rather than starting in the traditional and formal way of teaching a language. It's all very practical and happy and always encouraging. So I can only praise him. I will carry on learning Welsh with them, and then hopefully in not too long a time I'll be able to carry out some good conversations and make some very bad jokes yn y Gymraeg. So this is what I'd like to say to you is dwi'n medru siarad llawer o Gymraeg rwan ac mae'n golygu'r byd i mi. Dwi wedi cyrraedd adre a dwi'n hapusach nag erioed o bydded i'r hen iaith barhau.